Ever pondered about the vastness of the universe and our tiny place in it? Imagine yourself floating in the midst of this cosmic expanse, surrounded by a sea of stars and galaxies. The universe, the grandest stage of all, is almost incomprehensibly vast. It's not just big, it's colossal, gigantic, and staggeringly immense. This vast universe is home to billions upon billions of galaxies. Each galaxy, a swirling mass of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, is a universe unto itself. Every one of these galaxies contains millions, if not billions, of stars, each one a sun, with its own system of planets, moons, and asteroids. Now let's take a moment to comprehend the scale of the universe. When we talk about distances in the universe, we use a measurement called a light year. A light year is the distance that light, traveling at nearly 6 trillion miles per year, covers in 1 year. So when we say a star is millions of light years away, we're talking about mind-boggling distances. In the midst of this grand cosmic dance, nestled within the spiraling arms of a galaxy, lies our own galactic home, the Milky Way. A barred spiral galaxy, the Milky Way is just one among the billions in the universe. Yet it's special to us, for it's within this galaxy that our solar system exists, a tiny speck in the cosmic sea. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, isn't located at the center of the universe. In fact, the universe doesn't truly have a center. Everything is moving away from everything else. The Milky Way is just one part of a larger group of galaxies known as the Local Group, which in turn is part of an even larger Virgo supercluster. In the grand scale of the universe, our galaxy, our solar system, and we ourselves are but a tiny, fleeting moment in the cosmic ballet. Yet within this tiny corner of the cosmos, we've been able to unravel many of the universe's secrets and continue to explore the mysteries that lie beyond. As we delve deeper, let's narrow our focus to our own solar system within the vast Milky Way. In the grand scheme of the universe, our solar system might seem minuscule, but it's packed with wonders. Our solar system was born around 4.5 billion years ago from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. This cloud collapsed under its own gravity, spinning into a flat disk that formed our sun at its center. The remaining dust and gas began to clump together, forming the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets we know today. At the heart of our solar system lies the sun, a glowing sphere of hot gas that, despite being 93 million miles away from Earth, provides the energy necessary for life to thrive. It's a typical star, yet it's vital to our existence. Now, let's take a brief tour of the 8 unique planets that orbit our sun. Closest to the sun, we find Mercury, a small rocky planet with a surface scarred by craters, much like our moon. Venus, our next stop, is a hellish world with a thick, toxic atmosphere and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Earth, our home, is the 3rd planet from the sun and the only known celestial body to support life. Moving outward, we encounter Mars, the red planet, known for its iron oxide surface that gives it a reddish appearance. Next up, we have the gas giants. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is known for its Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging for at least 3 centuries. Saturn, famous for its stunning rings, follows Jupiter. The outermost planets, Uranus and Neptune, are often referred to as ice giants. Uranus, with its unique sideways rotation, and Neptune, the furthest planet from the sun, both have a bluish color due to the presence of methane in their atmospheres. Within this solar system, we call Earth our home. Let's explore it a bit more. Earth, our blue planet, is a marvel in itself, don't you think? It's the only known celestial body to harbor life thanks to a mix of unique characteristics. It's not too hot, not too cold, but just right. This just right condition is often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, a habitable area around a star where conditions are perfect for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, to exist. The Earth's atmosphere, composed of 21% oxygen, is another vital element for most life forms. It protects us by filtering out harmful solar radiation and helps regulate the planet's temperature. Moreover, the Earth's magnetic field, generated by its molten iron core, acts as a defensive shield against harmful cosmic rays and solar winds. Finally, water, covering about 70% of the Earth's surface, plays an essential role in supporting life, from the smallest microbes to the largest mammals. From Earth, let's journey outward to our closest planetary neighbor. Mars and Venus, our closest neighbors, are worlds of extreme contrast. Let's take a moment to appreciate these celestial bodies that orbit alongside us. Mars, the red planet, gets its nickname from its rusty red appearance, a result of iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. It's a barren world with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. Yet despite its harsh conditions, Mars holds a special place in our quest for knowledge. Its similarities to Earth, such as its polar ice caps and evidence of ancient rivers, have led scientists to wonder if life once existed there. There's a constant stream of robotic explorers on Mars, from rovers to orbiters, all working to uncover the planet's secrets. The most recent Mars rover, Perseverance, is on a mission to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith, broken rock and soil, for possible return to Earth. Mars is also the target of future manned missions, with organizations like NASA and SpaceX making strides to make it possible. Next, we turn to Venus, our other planetary neighbor. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, is anything but hospitable. It's the hottest planet in our solar system due to a runaway greenhouse effect, where its thick atmosphere traps heat, leading to surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Despite its inhospitable conditions, Venus provides a crucial understanding of how greenhouse effects can transform a planet. While Venus doesn't receive as much attention as Mars for exploration, it's not forgotten. There are exciting plans for future missions to better understand its atmosphere and geological history. Even in its extreme conditions, Venus holds valuable lessons for us. These two planets, so close yet so different from our own, remind us of the diversity and wonder of our solar system. They hold keys to understanding our own planet and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. From our neighbors, let's venture to the outer edges of our solar system. The outer solar system, home to the gas giants, is a realm of extremes. On venturing beyond the asteroid belt, the first behemoth we encounter is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so colossal that over 1,000 Earths could fit within its boundaries. Jupiter is a world of raging storms, the most infamous being the Great Red Spot, a tempest larger than Earth itself that's been churning for centuries. Jupiter's family is impressive too, boasting at least 79 moons. The four largest, known as the Galilean moons, are worlds in their own right. Ganymede, the biggest, is even larger than the planet Mercury. Next, we come to Saturn, the solar system's ringed wonder. These dazzling rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, span up to 200,000 kilometers outward from Saturn. This planet also has a fascinating collection of moons, including Titan, which is larger than Mercury and has a thick atmosphere and liquid lakes of methane. Moving further out, we encounter the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is unique for its sideways tilt, with its axis almost in the plane of its orbit. This results in extreme seasons, with each pole experiencing 21 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 21 years of darkness. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, is a world of supersonic winds and towering clouds. It's also home to Triton, a moon with geysers that spew nitrogen gas into space. Each of these outer planets is a world of wonder, with their own unique characteristics and collections of moons. They remind us of the incredible diversity of our solar system, a tiny corner in the vast cosmic tapestry. As we've seen, our solar system is a diverse and fascinating place. But remember, it's just a tiny part of the vast universe. Our journey through the solar system ends here, but the universe is vast and full of mysteries. It stretches far beyond our solar neighborhood into regions unknown and unexplored. Each twinkling star we see in the night sky may host a system of planets, each with their own unique stories waiting to be discovered. The universe, with its infinite wonders, beckons us, calling for our curiosity and our thirst for knowledge. It challenges us to push the boundaries, to venture out into the unknown. Space exploration and scientific research are our tools, our keys to unlocking these mysteries. Consider the immense potential that lies in the cosmos. Think of the technologies yet to be invented, the scientific theories yet to be formulated, the life forms yet to be discovered. The universe is a vast, unexplored frontier, and who knows what discoveries await us out there.